Hello, to become a professional drone pilot, you must have the correct drone insurance in place. So I thought I'd make a short video discussing 11 essential pro drone insurance tips that you need to know. Number 1. Is on-demand insurance coverage cheaper? This only covers your drone when it's in flight and does not cover your drone when it's not being used. This is a cheaper option if you are currently working part-time. Number 2. Is annual insurance more cost-effective? This covers your drone 24/7 and is more suitable for full-time professional drone pilots. Number 3. Is your insurance company monitoring your performance? Some insurance companies will use flight logs to monitor your location and your flight performance. It can lead to cheaper insurance and tips on how to improve your flight skills. Number 4. Does existing business insurance or your home insurance cover your drone? This is unlikely, but it will be dependent upon your insurance provider, so it is worth checking. Number 5. Know how to make a claim. Make sure you know how to make a claim and gather all the necessary information to make sure your claim has a better chance of being successful. Number 6. Is your state and location covered? Make sure the state you are flying in and the specific location is covered by your insurance policy. For example, some insurance providers will not cover you if you are flying above water. Number 7. Do you only have hull insurance in place? Some insurance policies will only cover your drone and not your camera or your payload. Number 8. Do you need payload insurance? Payload insurance covers what your drone is carrying and may also cover your camera. Number 9. Do you have liability insurance? Liability insurance covers damage caused by your drone, and some countries require you to have liability insurance in place before you can fly. Number 10. Will clients require you to have liability insurance? Some clients may require proof that you have liability insurance, and it also protects you against expensive bills. Number 11. Make sure you have a contingency in place. If your drone is damaged, you need to make sure you can borrow a replacement drone from a friend, you have a spare available, or if necessary you can hire a replacement drone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you'd like to know more about how to become a professional drone pilot, please visit mydronecareer.com or visit the link in the description below. Thank you.